I'm Jodie from Culling Property Group, and I'm excited to introduce 249 West Lanitza Road, Lanitza. This 36-hectare property is spread over 2 portions of land and has been meticulously cared for over 35 years. Let's take a look around. The low-maintenance gardens surround the property and have been lovingly cared for many years. There's a large dam at the rear of the property, making watering for the 2 shade houses a breeze. There's ample shedding to provide storage for all the machinery and toys that go with living on a rural property. The property offers a warm, welcoming country feel enhanced by the use of natural timber and brick throughout the design. The cosy open fireplace will be perfect for those cooler winter nights. The neat and tidy kitchen offers plenty of storage and is finished with classic timber bench tops. There are 3 bedrooms in total. The main bedroom offers a walk-through robe and spacious ensuite. The main bathroom is unique in its design. It's complete with a curving brick shower and timber vanity. Through glass sliders from the dining room out to the rear entertaining area, it's ideal for the friendly get-together. 249 West Lanitza Road is definitely a rural lifestyle choice with options. So if you're interested in this property, contact me today and arrange your private inspection.